Aced it! I'm so excited to visit the pyramids of Giza today. Geographic. Sunshine plus flying equals Happy Foz.
Arriving at destination, Pyramids of Giza.
Oh no! Glitch has shrunk the pyramids! They've been glitched! Not cool. To the Vroomster!
Launching Broomster in
3, 2, 1, seatbelt! There he is! You two stop Grandmaster Glitch and Lars and I will save the pyramids.
Oh, Grimbles, it's the No-Jetters!
The pyramids have been shrunk. We need to make them big again. We need to fix this glitch. We need click-ons. Geo-Mag! Geo-Jets! Geo-Dive! Geo-Fix! Look everyone, we fixed the glitch! Aced it! Those No-Jetters always spoil my fun. Well done everyone! Okay team, it's time for a souvenir selfie. Roll your mouse over the screen and click on the top right-hand corner for more information.
Go play, go